Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Behind the Clutter. In today's video, I'm gonna replace the handbrake lever of my Maruti 800 as its lock mechanism is now broken and won't stay locked anymore. So first let's clear the area by removing the rear floor mats to get a better view. Next we have to remove this electrical connector from the handbrake switch. The handbrake lever is attached to the car body using these three hexagonal bolts. So I'll be using this 10mm socket and an extension to remove these bolts like you see in the video. Once the handbrake is free from the body, we have to disconnect the brake cable from the lever. And then lift the brake lever assembly up and backwards and you will see this lock clip at the bottom end of the lever. Now remove the lock clip, turn the brake lever back and remove the guide pin like you see in the video. After that, move the lever forward so that you can slide the handbrake cable out along with the wheel that holds the cable in its place. Now all you have to do is to remove the brake lever and install the new one. Maruti spares are so cheap. I got this new lever for around Rs 250 from a nearby spare dealer. After that, align the holes, put the guide pin back in its slot and flip the brake lever assembly like we did before. Now install the lock clip back in its place like you see in the video. Then align and screw this brake lever back using the three hexagonal bolts like you see in the video. And finally connect the handbrake switch cable to its coupler and you are good to go. And now you can see that the handbrake is working fine and our problem is solved. So with that being said, this is Google Drive signing off. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already for watching more videos like this. So see you with another one soon. Till then, bye bye.